Good afternoon, everybody. David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Today I'm bringing you this fresh trade-in. It's a 2020 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive with a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine. It only has 32,000 miles on it. Plus it's Ford certified. So it's been through our 172 point inspection. You're going to get the remaining 100,000 mile powertrain warranty or November of 2027. Comes with a 12-month, 12,000 bumper to bumper warranty, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance. Go ahead and jam out in this one. Give me a call at 715-293-3189. Score over 30 miles to the gallon. Get your cloth heated seats, navigation, touchscreen. David Mazzola at Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. 715-293-3189.